I'm gonna show you how to change your AC filters. This, I have one right above the little hallway there. It's a 16 by 25. And here in my daughter's room, it's a 12 by 12 by 1. I didn't even know this filter right here existed in this room, and also in the adjoining room across the hallway. I didn't even know it was filters in there. These are the return filters. So I'm gonna show you what they look like here. So I never even knew it was filters in these two rooms. Look at this filter. Wow. I'm embarrassed to show you guys, but to be honest, I didn't know. I just knew the big two filters, the 16 by 25 and the 20 by 30. The 20 by 30 is downstairs, and the 16 by 25 is upstairs where I just showed you. So this is the 12 by 12. So I'm gonna give you a close-up view of 18 years worth of dust. Wow. So you need to know your house, and if you don't know where your filter's at least. If I would have knew this, it probably would have saved me thousands and thousands on my electrical bill and AC repairs. But anyway, here go how you change your filters. I leave my AC unit running, so when I put the new filter in, you see the arrow right there. Make sure it's up, because the air is going to be sucked there. And I leave the AC unit on so that it sucks the filter in place, and just put it back. Like some of them may have this little latch. Mine has this little latch right here, and some may have a little screw. So you just latch it down and you done. And to test it, you know, make sure it's getting suction, you just take a piece of paper and just put it up there, and you see we got good suction right there. And some filters are in the furnace. Like my furnace is upstairs. I went upstairs and I do not have any furnace air filters. So when I checked this before I changed the filters, I couldn't get it down to 64 degrees. Now look, right now it's at 58. Before the filter change, 64. So there you go. That's how easy it is to change your filters. But anyway, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.